In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen record with FlexClip. By the end, you'll know exactly how to capture your screen, make quick edits, and export a clean video you can share anywhere. First, head to the FlexClip website and log into your account. Having an account ensures your recordings save properly and your edits are kept in one place. A stable internet connection helps avoid hiccups during recording and uploading. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the Tools section and open Screen Recorder. This is where you'll launch everything you need for capturing your screen or camera. Next, choose your recording mode. Screen only records just what's on your display, perfect for tutorials or software demos. Webcam only records your camera feed if you're focusing on a talking head explanation. Screen plus webcam lets you combine both so viewers can see your screen and your face at the same time, which is great for walkthroughs with personal commentary. Before you start, set up your recording. Choose the exact screen, browser tab, or application window you want to capture so you don't record the wrong thing. When prompted, allow screen sharing so your browser can show the content. If you plan to speak, allow microphone access and select the right mic for clear audio. You can also turn your webcam on or off as needed. To keep things tidy, consider closing notifications and unnecessary tabs to avoid distractions during the recording. When you're ready, click Start Recording. Select the screen, tab, or window you chose and click Share. Recording begins after you confirm, so switch to the content you want to show and proceed at a steady pace. If you make a mistake, don't worry, you can trim it out later. When you're done, click Stop Sharing or Stop Recording. FlexClip will automatically process the video and take you to the editor. Avoid closing the tab while it processes to ensure your file is saved correctly. In the editor, you can quickly polish your recording, trim the start and end to remove dead air or mistakes, add text or captions to highlight key points or make your video more accessible. You can also insert music or sound effects to enhance engagement. Just keep levels balanced so your voice stays clear. Finally, click Export. Choose your resolution, typically 720p for smaller files or 1080p for a sharper look. Once exported, download your screen recording and you're ready to share. That's it. Simple, clean, and effective screen recording with FlexClip.